Hello, welcome to the present moment. I am having a nice nature walk and trying to be one with this flow step by step present moment awareness practice. And let's see how it flowers. Flowering is because there is no mind, past and future in the present. So you get in tune with the present, with the flow, with the whole, with the harmony. You hold the hand of harmony in the present moment. It may be you're just sitting and relaxing, meditating, or doing some stuff, expressing something, singing, dancing. They are all the forms of meditation. Some may be inside journey, some are outer expression. So this is just a walk, and in this walk you can make it a meditative practice by being totally here and now. Total awareness. This is life. Life is here and now, where you are, where I am. This is life, not in my head, in the present. All of a sudden, the burdens, a lot of the mind stuff, they get released and you feel free, you feel light, you feel empty. And because of that lightness, that emptiness, there is no weight on your head, otherwise which we carry. Uh, Joy, lightness brings joy. Lightness brings a delight in your being. The same energy which was going in the past and future, now here available in the present, and it is like it become joy, transform into joy and celebration by its own, without any effort. This nature is whole and complete, and we can feel this wholeness, like it is complete. It is like there is no search and seeking. If you see nature, pure nature, we can sense there is no seeking, seeking to be somebody, or to be divine, or to be more beautiful, or to be like him, her, as it happens in humans. There is nothing like it. And it is like I'm complete in this moment. I'm whole. I'm in tune with all in this very moment. There is nothing missing in this very moment. So there is no there is no need of mind. Why? The mind is not needed. It is already whole and complete. So it is like it is celebrating. The energy is moving into celebration, and our energy, human energy, is moving into seeking and searching and not being enough and this and that. But not here and now. Not here and now. Buddha says that your being is like, it is not static, it is a process. process means it is continuously, it is evolving, it is changing, mm, moment to moment. So just focus on moment to moment. You are like holding the hand of whole. That is enough. Moment to moment. And when you can hold the hand of whole, that is, you are flowing moment to moment, it means that you are in the present. You trust the whole, the wholeness, the higher wisdom, which is deeper than our so called intellectual, local mind stuff, which comes from local means from history, from past, but the present is new and fresh. So how the past is needed, required? It is not. The present is new, so the situation is new. So if anything happen, you are fully present to respond, and that is like the respond then comes out of wholeness, because you are whole, so it is like your body become vessel for the whole, and the whole respond through your body. And of course you can use your mind as a tool, you can use it, but we don't have to become like a slave victim of our mind because it is like then 24 into 7 it works, and then we are out of this abundance, this richness, which is always free of cost present, and we always keep on missing it. And yeah, one thing is, you just try it. Go for a nature walk, any kind of meditation, any kind of expression, natural expression will work, and they have their own benefit. Means they makes you open, uh, but since it is nature walk, so I'm talking about it. Just a nature walk, half an hour, just being in nature, outside, an open sky, open landscape, in the morning time, maybe in the evening time, maybe as comfortable for you as it is available in your country, in your city, in your surrounding. Half an hour of nature walk will liberate you, will make you free if you are totally into it. And be in the process. Don't think, okay, half an hour, let me see, then let's see what happens. No, you have decided for half an hour nature walk, then be into it. Let that half an hour be like an eternity. The timelessness, the no mind stage is timeless. No mind stage is like you are entering into eternity. Now this present moment, it is eternity. It is, and it is a process, of course. Things keeps on evolving on the surface, and you keep on being in accord, in tune with the present moment. So you are like moving from eternity to eternity. Yeah, it is paradox, cannot be explained in words as such, but somehow when you are in the present, you are open, your awareness you are aware, and the awareness, the life, the being. It is like it is eternal dimension, and you get in tune with that dimension, which is who you are. And you sense it by experiencing the outer present moment. So-called outer inner is like two aspects of the same life, same source. So I was saying that this looking at the nature, pure nature, looking at empty sky and trees, mountain, sun, moon, everything, stars, we can sense that the feeling of being in this moment, complete, not missing, not missing anything, flowering like literally a flower. Everything is flowering in pure nature, in existence. Everything is flowering. Everyone is flowering except humans. Hmm. Except humans, because of our mind identification, identified with certain country, culture, some story, some image, and that very identification becomes our prison. It may be, we say, beautiful, but prison is prison, and we miss this feeling of being static without any reason. Oh my God, without any reason. You are divine in this moment, and you don't need any certificate, any kind of success. This moment is success when you are in tune with this moment, with this body. Whatever your body is, get in tune with your body. Then slowly, slowly, the flowering will be instantly, it will open. The flowering arise, and slowly, slowly, when I say your body, which is for years has been conditioned living in limited mind way, it will also start flowering. It will also start becoming beautiful. The process start right now, from this moment, in this moment. So humans are like not in tune, not not in bliss. But if you see Buddha, Krishna, or Jesus, and many, many more, we can sense it. They are like human flowering. They have something of beyond, something of beyond our reasoning, that they found something. It is not like we have to find and search and find. Again, we can start the mental game. They found this moment, this acceptance, this appreciation for this moment. They found being which is beyond mind.